Please, if you reduce and small before I go. Hey, brother. If you reduce the
What is that shit?
I'm live. All right. That's okay. Yo, how you guys doing? Well, everybody is cool. So, um, use mic next time. Send me money, I go buy mic. All right. We're good. So this is my expectation on the Bitcoin. Literally, I was expecting this. It tapped yesterday, went back, still tapped this zone for the second time. So I know a lot of us were still expecting buys, but our literally I when this candle was up, I was thinking maybe we're gonna be closing above this level. So if how we should close above that level, I should be looking at Bitcoin that were pushing up. But we close below this level, so it's more kind of don't know where if Bitcoin wants to stay drop, but we have a decision level here, and also we have this decision level below that the market has been kind of rejecting for a couple of touch. So going to 1 hour now, we have a new created decision level on the 1 hour, closing above something, closing above this, sorry, below this decision level here. I didn't tell you guys about this type 2 decision level, which is I'll be telling you guys maybe on no, can't remove the black bill. That's my camera, and I don't want to turn it on. So yeah, hi Fever, hi baby. Now, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to push up and give me something here to tell me that it wants to drop. I don't know, but let's see. Maybe we'll still have something down. Mm, so for now, we'll still be waiting for Bitcoin to push back up to see if uh this guy here is going to sell price below. Um, see if this guy is going to sell price. So that's for the Bitcoin. I'm still expecting maybe we might drop. So and because we have Let's talk about gold. There's no so much price action. I don't like price being like this because it will make you to lose money. So I don't like price being like this. It's kind of risky. Let's check the 30 minute and see. Okay, 30 minute field. These guys here, they are breaking below something. So price might just go back up to this level and drop maybe two. So this is very short time trade because it's better to be looking for more buying up. Sorry, yeah, buying opportunity on Bitcoin. But let's see. We have these guys here. Tap tap. The market can still tap it. Who knows? So gold. Upon a close level. Let's see. Exactly. So we already tapped there. We open. So I'm not still considering this to take a buy here yet, but depends what the market gets here to give me. I'll be if the market gets here and we have some kind of confirmation here, I might take a trade. Might take a trade. But for now it's a no to me. So let's see the reaction here on the lower time frames. Um, Beautiful. Yeah, we might have a setup on gold. Definitely we should. What confirmation? Um, any confirmation at all? Literally, my confirmation entries is just what you people call the strategy. Confirmation is when price gets to a level, I still want to see the same thing. Um, I want to see something like this. Hmm? So I want to see something like this. Mark it out. Most times, especially sometimes it goes for if it is the 1 hour and you see something like this on the 1 hour and you still see it on the 30 minute, it's likely to have it's a very strong sell. But sometimes the wicks pierce to this level and definitely there should be something on the 15 minute that is making it to go there. So let me use this color for this. Somebody was complaining about my chart. I think we should use something else. No, no, I'm not sure it's better like this though. If you guys like it like this, let me say W yes. If you like my chart like this, W yes. If you don't like it, say no. If you like the chart like this, say yes. If you don't like it, say no. Previous was better. Okay, so let's use our previous one. What time frame? What about timing? Which time to see engulfing? You can see it on all time. There is no. When I want to look for, told you guys yesterday that my confirmation entry comes on the 30 minute and the 15 minute. So maybe if I want to short gold, um, you can see this example I was giving you. This is 50 minute engulfing. Now this is also another 50 minute engulfing. So It's trying to tell you that gold is trying to drop back into the zone. So mm, the one thing that I can cause of the fading coffee. So I guess that's what is holding. Why is this guy messaging? So this is what is literally still making price to kind of push up. So when price gets to this, we might be looking for some kind of confirmation to see if we'll have a trade there. This should be a short trade just to take the shallows, because then when we get to the 4 hour level here, I will see if uh, the market is going to push up, because these buys came from this right there. So let's wait and see what we have on the chart. Let's check something else. US 30. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Mm. All right, great. So I will be also wanting to take this trade on US 30, and have a trend line to support this. So I'll be waiting for US 30 also. Dow Jones. Um, Trying to see if we can have a buy, sorry, a sell setup to that zone because it's going to be a long move to the downside. So since we break, we'll definitely come back to the zone. So let's see what we stop price from getting there. If we find something around here. Get something around here. What's moving my screen?
I think it's
Mm, okay, you can't hear. Can you hear me now? If you can hear me, let me know. So this a good pips to the downside, so it shouldn't be a move to miss. Can you hear me now? My voice is not clear. Oh, sorry. Okay. So this is a good pips move to the downside. So let's look if we can have something to do with it. A very nice, beautiful move. We want it to close below this level because that's a previous decision level. Close below, then we can understand that we are going to push. This will send price down from there. If not, it should continue going up. But if we close below this level, then let me check H1. Beautiful move. H1 closing below another H1 decision level. Then we can start looking for um, a sell to the downside. Can have okay. So that's it. I just want us to close below. From there, we can start adding more confidence, looking for trend line to support it. I can't use headsets now because I'm having serious headache. So, and I'm avoiding to try not to talk loud or talk too much so that I won't be able to make money. I want to make money today, so I can't talk more than this. I'm sorry, guys. On this 30 30 FDCL. FDCL means field decision level on the M30, and this is 1 hour field decision level. So I'll be looking Just that the 1 hour fee decision level is looking more relevant than the M30, but price can go within the two. So price can definitely go between the two of them. So we'll wait. We still have more time. It's just 10:25, so we still have more time for this. We have 5 minutes for this candle to close, and we still have more time for this one to close. So we'll wait. So I don't want to trade currency. I don't want to trade currency, but um, okay. I don't look these days because of the money they have in there is not good anymore for me. US dollar, Swiss franc. Think we'll be having a sell here, a sell setup on this pair. We'll be having a sell. Okay, 30 minutes. Not okay. So let's see if price taps here and already. I don't know why it didn't tap, but mm, we have a 15-minute level. So Let's check US 30 real quick. There should be a setup there. Alright. Nice closure. Oh, that's it. The scalpers can start looking for entries here, but between the two range, but I don't want to take a trade that is rejecting something, expecting to pull, which is absolutely bad for me. So I will love it to close. So meanwhile, risk takers can also engage in this, but which is not good for me. It's not literally good for me. So let's wait. I have two zones on gold. I'll be dropping this in a group. I want it to drop from here, and we'll start seeing if there is nothing here to seize it to push it up for buys. But if there is something, oh, I would send it to the group. If there is nothing, then we keep holding ourselves to take all of these guys out. So let's wait. Can't stay on the screen for long. So if you have any pair you want us to look into it real quick, just send it in the comment section. We still have like 15 to 10 minutes to look at your pairs that you want to trade, because I'm only looking for quality setups like this. Gold, Bitcoin does not have something really, but I trust it should drop. So yes, trust it, they should drop from. Where's the guy that I just saw just now? Okay, nice level. I think that should be my. If I see it there, maybe I might think of pulling it short. But if not, we should keep dropping and look for a nice decision level. Maybe this one can still go like three times. Then I can look for buy. US 30, we just look at US 30, bro. I said US 30, we expecting a drop back to this is actually my real target for it to come here to take a long buys. And if 30 minutes can give you, if you can risk it to drop is good, but for me I don't want to risk a trade that is like this, but it can still drop, but I want it both on the 4 hour, you see, still pulling back up because of this zone, and it might be that we respected the zone to buy. So if you go to the 15 minute, there is nothing that do we have on the 15 minute to give me the confidence of pulling it back. So rather it's more of we're still gonna drop because we have a possible move closing below a decision level, so we can still tap here, drop. So it's possible, and it's still possible that we can still keep going up. So if we will be going up, then this line here, once we close above these guys, this guy can become a buying level. So, but I don't want to see that. I want to see it dropping. So, um, I want to see it dropping. So let's wait. That's why I say I can't take a trade like that. I want it to drop. But if it don't doesn't drop, then there's no problem for it to keep pushing up. So any other pairs, any futures or stock you wanna trade? USD card. Um, USD card. So US 30 can be another selling opportunity. Um, uh, this guy, so we can still push up. This is telling us that definitely price wants to push to the upside. So we just tap here, push here, and we drop. So that's what I will literally be looking for US 30. Sorry, USD card, buy to sell. But okay, these are the three setups that I will be looking at. So maybe once they are set, I might send them to the group. I will send them to the uh, community channel. So though I'm not feeling strong today to stay so much or spend so much time on the screen, but let's see what we do today. All right, guys, I'm ending the live stream now. Thanks everybody for joining, and maybe we will be having our next class and on Saturday, on Sunday. By that time, I should be properly strong and ready to carry you guys along. Okay, so have a nice trading week, guys. Mm.